Every satellite ever launched was designed with a death sentence. Not because engineers wanted them to fail, but because for 60 years, space had one brutal rule. When the fuel runs out, the mission ends. A satellite can cost hundreds of millions to build and launch. It can guide ships, broadcast television, connect continents, watch storms, and carry military signals across the planet. But inside that billion-dollar machine is a limited tank of propellant. When that tank runs dry, the satellite can no longer hold position. It drifts, tumbles, and becomes a hazard to everything still alive around it. So we bury it. We push it away from working satellites into a higher region called the graveyard orbit, a silent junkyard tens of thousands of kilometers above Earth. This was not a flaw. This was the business model. Build it, launch it, use it, lose it. Until February 25th, 2020. 36,000 kilometers above Earth, two spacecraft met in the dark. One was dying. The other had come to bring it back. The dying satellite was Intelsat 901. After nearly 20 years in service, it had run out of fuel and been sent into the graveyard. Its mission was supposed to be over. Then came MEV-1, Mission Extension Vehicle 1, built by Northrop Grumman's Space Logistics. MEV-1 was a rescue craft, and its mission was almost impossible. Find a dead satellite, match its orbit, approach with extreme precision, and dock with a spacecraft that was never designed to be docked with. There was no docking port, no refueling valve, no friendly interface. So MEV-1 grabbed Intelsat 901 by the only structure it could use, the nozzle of its old engine, and it worked. For the first time, two commercial spacecraft docked in geosynchronous orbit. MEV-1 became the satellite's new engine, pulled Intelsat 901 out of the graveyard, and returned it to service. A machine declared dead was alive again. For 5 more years, it kept working. Then came the next step. In 2021, MEV-2 docked with another Intelsat satellite while it was still active, still working, still in its operational slot. No shutdown, no graveyard, no rescue after death. A live satellite had been serviced in orbit. And the world noticed. In 2025, China launched Shijian-25, officially described as a life extension technology demonstrator. Its target appeared to be Shijian-21, another Chinese satellite already known for towing dead spacecraft into graveyard orbit. Trackers watched the two satellites move closer in geosynchronous orbit. Then they appeared to merge into a single point of light. Nearby, American surveillance satellites moved in to watch. China said little, but after the encounter, the joined spacecraft performed fuel-expensive maneuvers. Later, they separated. Independent analysts believe this may have been satellite-to-satellite refueling in geosynchronous orbit. Not just docking, not just towing, refueling. And that changes everything. Because the next space economy is not about disposable machines. It is about infrastructure. Companies like Orbit Fab are building gas stations in space, fuel depots, tanker spacecraft, and refueling ports that can be installed on satellites before launch. For the first time, satellite builders can choose. Build it to die or build it to refuel. Northrop Grumman is moving further too, with robotic vehicles designed to install new propulsion pods on aging satellites. A dying spacecraft may no longer need replacement. It may only need a service call. But this technology has a shadow. A spacecraft that can dock with a friendly satellite can also approach an enemy one. A robotic arm that can repair can also disable. That is why militaries are watching. The orbits above Earth are no longer static. They are becoming active. Satellites will move, inspect, dock, refuel, repair, tow, and maybe one day, fight. But beyond the military race, this may be the bridge to deep space. Every mission to the Moon, Mars, or the outer planets is limited by fuel. You can only carry what you launch with, and lifting fuel requires more fuel. Orbital refueling breaks that limit. A spacecraft could launch lighter, refill above Earth, and then push deeper into space than ever before. For 60 years, space was a graveyard. Now we are building something else: a repair shop, a fuel network, a living economy above Earth. The death sentence is over. The refueling revolution has begun.